Do you know that project managers are some of the consummate professionals you can ever meet? Do you want to be a part of this highly professional group? What is it about project managers that makes them so professional? The reason is, according to the Project Management Institute, the PMI Code of Conduct of Ethics and Professional Conduct is based on 4 values that are identified as most important to the project management community. The first is responsibility. We take decisions based on the best interest of the society, public safety, and the environment. The second thing is respect. We inform ourselves about the culture of others, the custom of others, so that we don't engage in things that will appear disrespectful to them. The next thing is fairness. We demonstrate transparency in all our decision-making process. We constantly re-examine our impartiality and objectivity, taking corrective actions as appropriate. The last is honesty. We earnestly seek to understand the truth. We are truthful in our communication and in our conduct. These standards come with what is called aspirational standards as well as mandatory standards. We also have what we call regulation and legal requirements. Even in the PMP exam, I can assure you that certain questions, scenario-based questions will come, and you have to identify which one is based on responsibility, which one is honesty, which one is fairness. My name is Sunday Yahaya, and I'm a PMI certified project management professional. Welcome to this channel where we discuss all things project management. We'll be having our online training on project management very soon, and this training is going to be free for as many people that subscribe. So please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave your comments in the comment section as well as your questions so that we can attend to them in subsequent videos. Thank you very much.